Add around 4 liters of water to a 25-kilogram bag of cementitious Ramco Super Grout in a bucket. Add it gradually to water. Stir for 3 to 5 minutes to form a smooth, workable paste. Ensure that the edges of the shutter box are properly sealed. Use within 20 minutes from mixing. Pour directly without troweling.